So we do have some new racks that are available as well. Depending on when you got your system, you may or may not have heard of some of these. So the first one I want to talk about is our 8-position rack. So I'm going to go grab that here. The 8-position rack is, of course, 8 positions. I'm showing here with the TFM vials, but we also have the quartz as well in the glass. What's great about this is it's got an additional 5 milliliters of volume. So instead of being 15 mils, say for the 15 rack, it's going to be 20 mils. So let's say you have a sample where you need to digest either just a little bit more mass or need to add a little bit more acid than you could in the 15 rack. But the 5-position rack may be too limiting in your throughput. This could be a very good solution for you guys. We also have an 8-position rack that's mixed, which gives you 3 positions of the 5-position rack. These are the 40 mil vials. And then you on the back side, you have 5 positions here for your 15-position vials. The one time I used this was when I was processing some nutraceutical samples. I had some standard ones I was running in my 15-position rack, but I had this big fish capsule that I couldn't break up, and I had to do the whole thing. So I was able to do that with a blank and using my larger vials, and then process the rest using the 15 position. And we also have the same thing for the 15 and the 22 position racks as well, a mixed rack there. The last one I want to show you here, for those of you who are working at working with, say, clinical samples of very low acid volumes, we do have a 26 position vial. So this is great for small amounts of sample and acid. Say when you need your blank to be lower, or you're processing very small pieces of, say, fish tissue, for example, you may want to digest that in maybe a 0.5 mil to 1 mil. Now that's where the 26 position rack is going to be your best friend there. We do still have the other racks as well. Some of you may have these. We have the 4-position rack, the 5 rack. The 15 and the 5 are our most common ones. The 15 is the one that most of you are probably using. We do have a 22-position rack as well. And we have 3 different vial types, of course, the borosilicate glass, quartz, and the TFM. The ultraWAVE rack guide is a great resource for this. So if you take a look through the ultraWAVE rack guide and you want to understand how much mass can I use in a 15-position vial or a 22, and how much acid, it tells you all of that right in there.